Welcome back, guys, to this channel. I'm so grateful for the views, the subscribers. I'm not too happy with the comment because I'm not receiving comments, and we actually need the comments to know whether we are doing better, whether we are doing good, or we need to improve. So thanks for all that. So straight today, I'll be showing you the most important part I love on Windows is actually connecting your Microsoft account. So if you install your Windows, especially Windows 10 or Windows 11, and your Microsoft account, precisely Microsoft account, is not linked to that your OS, you're not enjoying all the features. Most of, not actually all, but most of the features in Windows 11 or Windows 10. I know that this I'll be doing a video that will take time because we'll be going deep down into technical things you need to know about each OS, but I'll be focusing more on Windows 11. So please try watching this video so that you can learn how to connect your Microsoft account. If you don't have, I'll show you how to do that. So let's start immediately. So over here is actually you click on the Windows icon, go to your settings. Over here is the settings. You see, this is my local account. My Microsoft account is not signed in already. I'll just skip all this part. But you mean if you're not using Windows 11 23H2, your interface may not look like this because there have been some upgrades. They now did it like a dashboard where you can have an overview of everything that's going on. But either the case, if you don't own it, doesn't have this dashboard, you can actually go to System Accounts, or you can come in and search accounts over here and it will pop up. So I'm just using the later version. That's why it has this dashboard over here where you can set up everything from here. So you can come to account. It's still the same process. So here I'm going one account for everything Microsoft. So I'm going to sign in my account here. So I'll click on sign in. This dialog window will come up. It comes up on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. So this is where you're going to connect your online account. But if you don't have, no worries, you can actually click here to create one and follow through the process to create one. You can actually enter the email address, and for your own purpose, if you have a Google account, you can actually use the same URL whatever, maybe manpower or gospower at gmail.com. You can actually enter it here, and it also picks that. But if you want to create a fresh Microsoft account, you can click on get a new Microsoft account. Then you choose between Hotmail or Outlook, which one do you want to use. But a quick one, if you have a previous email already, I will advise you to continue with the same username. Maybe let's say, for instance, you have Kingspire Tech at gmail.com. So if your username is Kingspire Tech at gmail.com, you can come here. Instead of you writing another name, you can just use Kingspire Tech and fix either outlook.com or hotmail.com. So whichever one that fits you is okay. Then you want to create a new one at fresh, you can do that. I'll go going back. Then I'll be signing with my own account. Click next. It's asking for my password. I don't think I can remember my password, but I'll click on other ways to sign in. So to email me a code to my email, Yahoo Mail, I'll do okay. I need the code. So I'll be holding on for some time for them to ask me. They've asked me to verify the email account address. So I'll be verifying it because I set up a two-factor authentication. So what it means is that for you to sign in, if I don't have my password, I can still sign in out of my email. I linked them up. Click send code. I'm waiting for the code on my mobile device. So while waiting for the code, so one reason, let me explain why you need the Microsoft account. You need it because of so that for you to be able to access rewards. You can be able to access reward. You can be able to access OneDrive account, because if your online account is connected, you can access your OneDrive account, which is actually cloud storage where you can store, and you have about 15 gig free. I mean, 5 gig free for OneDrive for app Microsoft. So you can have access to synchronize your files and access it from anywhere in the world. That is the one reason. Then two, it records your settings on this PC. So if I have a new PC, my account is saved on this PC. All my settings, all my configuration, both Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi configuration, everything is synchronized. So if I sign in my account in a new PC, I don't need to start looking for Wi-Fi passwords. I don't need to start looking for settings that I've configured, both background, both foreground, everything that you have set up on the other PC with your own online account. As far as it's synchronized, you just enter your email account on the new PC and everything comes back. So these are actually the features and more other features I'll be explaining maybe later videos after creating this online account. So I'll be going to my email. So the code has come in. I'll just click on enter the code and click sign in. And voila, please wait. If you watch over here, you can see that my email account has been added. It's no more a local account anymore. It's now my online account. You can see that seems to create PIN, which I have a PIN already. So I'll just keep that. Enter the new PIN. I'll just cancel that because I have my PIN already. So create a PIN existing. So I actually have to create a new PIN. Alright, I'm just actually entering my previous PIN I have. Click OK. So if you watch here now, you can see my 365 account has been synchronized. So anything I work on, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, I can access it with their softwares on my mobile device. I can access it with their softwares on any other PC device. As far as I'm connected to the internet, I can access it. So this is how to actually connect your online account. You can now see that this is my email over here and this is my name. So I'm actually an administrator. I'll explain what administrator is. That means you're the one that controls everything that goes on the system on this PC. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and wait for the next one coming. Thanks. See you next time.